Dear children, today we are going to see grammar book answers. Page number 9, exercise answers in your grammar book. Okay, grammar book, page number 9. 7th Roman letter. Write whether each of the sentences given below is a command or an exclamation. First one, don't be late for your lesson. Answer is command. Okay, don't be late for your lessons. Answer is command. Second one, close the door. Answer is command. Third one, how hot this water is an exclamation. Okay. Fourth one, Susan, make a bed. This is command. It's freezing here. Declarative. Sixth one, get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. This is command. Seventh one, your marks are very good. Answer, declarative. Eighth one, dry your clothes. Answer, command. Ninth one, what a pleasant surprise it is. Exclamation. 10th one, how beautiful those birds are. Answer, exclamation. Next, 8th Roman letter, make suggestions in the following situations. First one is they already did it. Second one, you want your friend to join you for lunch. Okay. Answer, would you want your friend to join you for lunch? At the end you put question mark. Okay. Third one, you want your friend to explain the problem. Answer is, do you want your friend to explain this problem? Put question mark at the end. Fourth one, you want your friends to have a holiday with you. Would you want your friends to have a holiday with you? Put question mark. Okay. Fifth one, you want your friends to share your meal. Answer is, would you wish your friends to share your meal? Put the question mark at the end. Okay. Then next, unit 2, prose. Next, prose, unit 2, second lesson. Okay, unit 2, second lesson, when trees walked. That is lesson name, unit 2, prose. Now we revise the question answers. Okay, page number 112 in your textbook. English textbook, page number 112. 3 questions are given there. Discuss and answer. Okay. The first question, when did garden become a happy place for the author? The garden, answer is, the garden became a happy place for the author when his grandfather joined him. I repeat the answer. The garden became a happy place for the author when his grandfather joined him. Second question, what are the 2 reasons the author gives for the plants moving towards grandfather? Okay, what are the 2 reasons? The answer is, the 2 reasons for the author gives for the plants moving towards grandfather are, first one, light and warm. Second one, they liked to be near grandpa. Okay. Third question, why does the writer think that the people tree is the great show off? The answer is, even when there is no breeze, their road chested, slim waisted leaf will spin like tops, determined to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. Okay. Then section 2, page number 114. Okay, section 2, page number 114. 3 questions are given there. First question, why do we need trees? List 4 reasons that grandfather gives. Okay, it's section 2, page number 114. Discuss and answer. First question, Why do we need trees? List 4 reasons that grandfather gives. First one, answer. First one, we need trees to keep the desert away. Okay, we need trees to keep the desert away. Second one, to attract rain. Second one, to attract rain. Third one, to prevent banks of rivers being washed away. To prevent banks of rivers being washed away. Fourth one, for fruits and flowers. For fruits and flowers. Last one, for timber. Okay, for timber. These are the reasons. Then second questions. Why did the author help his grandfather plant trees? The answer is, the thought of the earth without trees became a sort of nightmare to the author, and so he helped his grandfather in his tree planting with greater enthusiasm. Okay. Third question. What made grandfather plant saplings on the rocky island? The answer is, there was a mango tree on the island, so grandfather planted saplings there. Okay, there was a mango tree on the island, so grandfather planted saplings there. Next, section 3, page number 116. There are 4 questions there. Okay, section 3, page number 116. First question. What did grandmother feel about trees growing in the house? What did grandmother feel about trees growing in the house? The answer is, grandmother felt that trees growing in the house made it look like a roof brought down by the jungle. Second one. Why did the author leave town? Why did the author leave town? The author left town to live with his father. The author left town to live with his father. Third question. How did grandfather's dream come true? Okay, how did grandfather's dream come true? The answer is, the island became a small green paradise. The answer is, the island became a small green paradise. Fourth one, describe what the author saw when he went back to the island. Describe what the author saw when he went back to the island. The answer is, when he went back to the island, the author noticed smaller trees while plants and grasses had sprung up under their protection. The trees they had planted long ago had multiplied. Okay. So next poem, trees poem. Okay, question answers. Page number 126. First question. What does the people do? The people quiets in the breeze. Second one. How does the coconut tree grow? The coconut tree grows up straight and tall. Third one. What does the tamarind tree give? Answer. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. Fourth one. What is as sharp as blade? Answer is, the date's leaf is as sharp as blade. Last one. What does the teak tree gives us? The teak tree gives us useful wood. Thank you, children.